Hey guys, I want to take a couple of minutes to talk about business meals and deductibility of business meals. As many of you probably remember, during COVID for 2021 and for 2022. All right, just after the start of COVID and throughout last year, they had changed the deductibility of meals. There are items that were normally 50% deductible, now went up to 100% deductibility. And so things are kind of going back to what they were, where for the most part, business related meals are going to be 50% deductible. Okay, which means you have to be present as the business owner for that to happen. So basically, I'm going to run down the list of items that are 100% deductible first, 50%, and then zero deductible. Okay, so let's start here with 100% deductible items, and that's your year-end party for employees and spouses. Also included in this category is golf outing for employees and spouses. And then you have two other items: meals on premises for general and marketing purposes, and then team building, recreational events for all employees. That's 100% deductible. Okay. Now, for 50% deductibility, you'd be talking about restaurant meals with clients and prospects. That's a very common thing, right? Sit with a prospect to basically gain their business, gain their trust, to turn them to clients. 50% deductible. And then employee meals for the convenience of employer served by an in-house cafeteria. That's 50% deductible as well. And then for the other items, we have meals served at Chamber of Commerce meetings held at the hotel meeting room, meal consumed in a fancy restaurant while an overnight business travel status. That's a very common one, right? You go to training, you're going to be there overnight. It's not 100% deductible. It's 50% deductible. Okay. So meals cooked by you in your hotel room kitchen while traveling away from home, again, 50% deductible. Okay. And the last one in that category is meals with a prospective customer at a country club following your non-deductible round of golf. That's 50% deductible. Okay. So the golf outing itself is 100% deductible. The meal following that is only 50% deductible. And then for your items, a couple of items that are not deductible at all. Entertainment, we know that they kicked that out, your Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, basically for the inconvenience of the employer. Entertainment such as baseball, football games with clients and prospects, 0% deductible. Okay. And then year-end party for customers, also not deductible at all. And finally, but not least, is golf or theater outing or football game with your best customer, not deductible. Okay. So there you have it, guys. That should be a very useful summary for you. If you need more information, definitely give me a call, and you should definitely, think about what I just said. Maybe, revisit this video so you can, make sure you're on the right path to getting items that are deductible and not taking non-deductible items on your tax return. So, guys, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 718-938-4601, 718-938-4601. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye.